Hello SafeMoon holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. Once again I'm present with another latest update of the SafeMoon. What's going on in this time in the SafeMoon? And absolutely in this video I'm talking about the very urgent important advice for all SafeMoon holders, my friends. Do this before July month. What should you do before July to make a good amount of profit from a SafeMoon, my friends? Keep watching this video for more details and for better understanding. But before starting this video, please also make sure to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos. Absolutely, if you subscribe my channel, if you follow AB's Tech channel, so you will get a good amount of profit from a SafeMoon, my friends. My friends, at this time the latest price of the SafeMoon in the market is 0.00004 USD dollar. That is the latest price of the SafeMoon. Furthermore, if we talk about the SafeMoon Bitcoin price, so that is the BTC price of the SafeMoon, and furthermore the market cap, 24 hours trading volume, available supply, total supply, every update is present on the front of your eyes. You can easily read out these reading of the SafeMoon, my friends. Anyways, furthermore, if we talk about the price changes of the SafeMoon, so here is the latest and important update, my friends. So on the basis of the price changes, I will advise you, I'm advising all of you that please buy more and more SafeMoon, my friends, because at the end of June month, the SafeMoon start positive. So absolutely, if the changes, if the SafeMoon price start pumping at the end of June, so they will continue this pump for 2 weeks, for 1 week, and absolutely there's a long-term project of the SafeMoon, my friends. So that is why I recommend for everyone to please buy more and more SafeMoon, and absolutely you will get a good amount of profit if you hold SafeMoon for a long time, my friends. So every changes is going positive and the SafeMoon at this time. So that is why I recommend for everyone to please buy more SafeMoon before July month. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about SafeMoon? Please also tell me in the comment box. And remember that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.